Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. So yesterday we start Sambayoga method. So after studying 52 Cetasikas, we are to study how many Citta associate with each Cetasika. Okay. So that is called Sambayoga method. Okay. Sambayoga method. So Sambayoga method. Yesterday we start Sambayoga method. So to study Sambayoga method, we divide 52 Cetasika into 3 groups. Okay, into 3 groups. 52 Cetasika into 3 groups. Number 1 group is a Bhagainaka, Anya Samana group. Anya Samana group. Here, Anya Samana Cetasika Sambayoga Nayo. Sambayoga association with the what? With the consciousness Citta. Cetasika associate with the consciousness. So, for example, Phasa Cetasika associate with the how many consciousness, dissociate from how many consciousness. So that we need to know. So the method that explain about this way is called Sambayoga Naya. So Anya Samana Cetasika Sambayoga Nayo. Start from paragraph number 12 up to the paragraph number 18. Okay. So altogether, so there are 7 methods. Okay, 7 methods we can get. So yesterday we already start. So Sabajita Sadharana Dawa Sati Mejitasika Sabi Supi Eguna Navudi Chitupare Sulabandi. So there are 89 Chitas or 1 to 1, 121 Chitas in detail. So in all Chitas, 7 universal mental concomitants are available. So 7 universal mental concomitants associated with all types of consciousness. That is one Sambayoga Naya. And then paragraph number 13, among the Bhagainagesu, among the mental concomitants that associate in both wholesome and unwholesome consciousnesses. The first one is a Vidaka. Okay, Vidaka associated with the 55 consciousness. And then Vidaka dissociate from the 66 consciousness. Okay, that is one method. So, Manda 6 Bhagainaga Cetasika, we have a Vidaka. In the Vidaka, we have a one method. We get a one method. It means the Vidaka Cetasika associated with the 55 Citta, dissociate from the 66 Cittas. So what are the 55? Yesterday we already studied. So 45 Kamajara Citta except the Dendri Panja Vinyana. And then what the first 11 first jhana Cittas. 11 Citta that associate with the first jhana, so they all together 55. Okay. 11. Okay, 54, 44 and 11 altogether 55. So in the Vidaka, the 66 Chetas do not associate with the Vidaka. So what are they? Dvipanja Vinyana, 10, 10 consciousness that arise in pair. So it is also called Dvipanja Vinyana, 5 pairs of consciousnesses. Okay, there, Vidaka do not associate. So also second jhana 11, third jhana 11, fourth jhana 11, fifth jhana 23. In these Jetas, Vidaka do not associate. So in the Dvipanja Vinyana, Jetas, like Jagu Vinyana Jeta, eye consciousness. So there Vidaka is not necessary. Naturally, Vidaka has no role to play over there, because so when the visible object and eye sensitivity come into contact, okay, there is nothing to think what is this or what is that. So for the rising of the eye consciousness, so it is so obvious. That's why naturally in the Dvipanja Vinyana Chetas, Vidaka is not necessary. That's why Vidaka do not associate with the Dvipanja Vinyana. For the second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana, and also fifth jhana, the Vidaka is abandoned by means of the spiritual development. Okay, spiritual development, because Vidaka it become an obstacle, so to attain the second jhana and so on. So that's why it is purposely removed, purposely eradicated, so excluded. So that's why. So second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana, fifth jhana, so Vidaka is not available, okay? Because it is abandoned by the spiritual development. So that is one method. Yesterday we already studied. Just to review, Vijara, sustained application of a thought. So Tesu Jewa refer to the 55 Chetas that associate with the Vidaka, as well as Ekadasa Sudutiya Jhana Jete Sujati, 11 second jhana 11 as well. So in the second jhana, there is Vijara also, Vijara associate. Okay? So 55 plus 11, so we get a 66 consciousness. Vijara Cetasika associate with the 66 consciousness. And also, if we 66 associate, 55 do not associate. Vijara do not associate, does not associate with the 55 consciousness. So that way we remember, associate how many, dissociate how many. So that is a Vijara. In Vijara, we have a one method. So also, Adhimokha. Adhimokha is a decision. So as we have a study in the characteristics, etc., Adhimokha make a decision. So that the consciousness do not associate with the Dvipanja Vinyana and also Vijikecha, Sagata, Jita. So Dvipanja Vinyana, in that case, Adhimokha is not necessary, because so obvious there for the rising of eye consciousness and so on. So Adhimokha has no place to function in the case of the 10 Vipanja Vinyana. And also in the case of the Vijikeja Sagata Jita, Vijikeja is a skeptical doubt, so confusion. Adhimokha is a decision, so they are diametrically opposite to one another. That's why Adhimokha Cetasika do not associate with does not associate with the Vijikeja Sagata Jita. So altogether 11. Among the 89 Jita, you minus 11. So there you get it, 78. Okay, 78 consciousness. Adhimauga associated with the 78 consciousness. Okay. Let's see. Yesterday we already see the chart. We already see the chart. Okay, here. Adhimauga associated with the 78 consciousness. From the Akusala, you have 11. Imagine Akusala 12. Among the 12, Vijikeja do not associate here. That's why 11 Akusala Jeta, 8 8 Aheduka Jeta, 18 Aheduka Jeta we have. 10 does not Vijara Adhimauka does not associate with the Dendri Panja Vinyana, so it stays associated with the other 8 consciousness. So 24 Kamavajara Sovana, and then 27 Mahagada, Imidaruba and Aruba together. And also 8 Logodara Jeda, there is a Adhimauka. Okay. So there you can understand that when you are doing Kusala or Agusala, okay, there is a Adhimauka. Okay. Even when you are thinking about something, whether it is a good or bad, there is a decision. You are going to make a decision. Something, it is a good quality or bad quality, and so on. So there, Adhimauka plays, you can see, and nearly all of the consciousness, except Vijikecha and Vipanja Vinyana. So that is 78 associate, 11 dissociate. That is one Sampayoganaya in the Adhimauka Cetasika. And also we go to Viriya, effort. Okay, effort. We make an effort. So that is, Viriya is a Cetasika that encourage, that support other mental concomitants to be energetic. Okay, that is a Viriya. So Viriya Cetasika associated with the 73 consciousness, but it does not associate with the 16 consciousness. Okay. So what are the 16? If you know 16, then you can easily recognize 73. 16 is all of them belong to Aheduka, rootless consciousness. So rootless consciousness, Panchadvara Vajana, 5 door adverting consciousness. So you don't need any effort to make. Okay. You receive, like a receiver, okay, internet receiver or so new or radio channel receiver or something like that. So its function is just to receive. So no need to make any effort. Whatever object come into contact, it receive. And also after that it naturally automatically advert to their respective doors. So that is Panchadvara Vajana, Chitta, 5 door adverting consciousness. And also Tendri Panja Vinyana, okay, like eye consciousness, ear consciousness, and so on. So also 2 Sampadejana, receiving consciousness, and then 3 Santirana, investigating consciousness. They naturally happened whenever there is there is encounter with the object. So that's why these Chetas do not need the Viriya. Okay? They are effortless consciousness. They are rootless as well as effortless consciousness. But among the 18 Ayaduka Cheta, we already told you yesterday. So Manorara Vajana, mind or body consciousness. Sometimes it plays the function of the Vatavana decision. So other time it needs effort, Viriya. So Viriya associate other time Manorara Vajana. And also Hasido Bhadas, mind-producing consciousness. Even though it belongs to Ahituka, rootless consciousness, still it necessitates effort. Okay, Viriya. So among the 18 Ahituka Jeta, only two consciousness, Manodara Vajana and Hasido Bhada associated with the Viriya effort. So other Chetas, 12 Akusala, 24 Candamukha, 27 Mahagata, 8 Lokuttara, they associate with the Viriya effort. Okay, so then we can understand that in the Viriya there is a one Sampayoga Naya. So because the Viriya associate with the 73 Cheta, and also Viriya dissociate from the 16 consciousness. Okay, then Viriya is one method. PD, we go to PD. PD is a rapture or joy. Okay, so you can understand that happiness, okay, happiness and also anger. When you are angry, then there can be no rapture, no joy. So then naturally, PD is a rapture or joy. That's why naturally it do not associate with the two dosa mula citta, okay, two dosa mula citta, angry mind. And also neutral. How many ubekha sagata citta, and then you may still remember. PD is one of the jhana factor. Vidaka, Vijara, PD, Sukha, Ekagata. Okay, jhana, 5 jhana factors are there. So that's why if we look at the PD, we have to look at the 1-to-1 consciousness. Not in the 89 consciousness. So 1-to-1 consciousness, why we need to look at? Because it belongs to jhana factors. So here, so PD, rupture or join do not associate with the two dosa mula citta, and then upekha sagata citta, neutral. Okay, neither sukha nor dukkha. That is 55. Okay, upekha sagata citta 55. So there you can review what are they. Okay. 55 Upekha Sagata Citta. This is a neutral mind, neutral feeling. So how can they can also say with a BD? BD is a non-neutral happiness. Okay. So based on the happiness. And then Kaya Vijnana Citta 2. So this BD is a mental. Okay. But the Kaya Vijnana Citta is one is a Sukha Sagata Kaya Vijnana. So physical pleasant feeling, consciousness. So another one is Dukkha Sagata Kaya Vijnana, physical unpleasant or painful feeling. So they are physical. That's why in the physical pleasant feeling, PD do not associate. PD associate only with the mental pleasant feeling, somanasa. PD do not associate with the sukha, sagata, kaya vijnana. And then dukkha sagata, kaya vijnana. And also, so that is naturally, okay. So the first one is the dominasa and PD, naturally opposite. The second one is BD and Ubekha. They are also different nature. That's why they cannot be together. They cannot be friends. And also another one. One is the Sukha Sagata Kaya Vijnana. It is a pleasant physical pleasant feeling. Piti is a mental pleasant feeling. That's why there is a piti do not associate with a physical pleasant feeling, consciousness. And also physical unpleasant feeling or painful feeling also. In that the consciousness also piti do not associate because piti is a mental. Okay. So that's why they are naturally these jeta do not associate with the PD. And then another one is 11 first jhana 11. Okay. First jhana, not first jhana, the fourth jhana 11. Okay. The fourth jhana 11. So these jeta, in the fourth, during the fourth jhana, so what we need to abandon is a PD. Okay, PD. If PD is there, so we cannot make any progress. So we cannot be in the higher jhana level. We cannot reach to the higher jhana, fourth jhana level. That's why. So after the attainment of a third jhana, we have to abandon the PD. PD become an obstacle at that time. That's why in the fourth jhana, PD is abandoned by means of the spiritual development. Okay, so altogether 70 consciousness. Okay, some of them some of them are naturally opposite feeling. That's why they do not associate. 11 fourth jhana. So these jetas, for jhana 11, they are, because PD is abundant spiritual development, that's why they do not associate. So altogether, among the 1-to-1 consciousness, 70 consciousness do not associate with the PD. Also, we can say another way, PD does not associate with the 70 consciousness. The remaining is only 51. 51. What are the 51? The only somanasa. So in the Akusala, you can see 4 somanasa that belong to Loba Mula. Okay. In the 8 Loba Mula Jeta, we have a 4 somanasa. That one you can get. Okay. So also, among the Ahetuka Jeta, you can see Somanasa Santirana. Okay. One Somanasa Santirana. And also another is a Hasito Bada. From the Ahetuka, you get the 2. Okay. 2 Somanasa. According in the order of in the serial order of the consciousness. Then how many? So from the 24 Kamavajara Sobhana Jeta, so there you can see Aima Kusala, Aima Vipaga, Aima Kiriya. Okay. In the Aima Vipaga also Somnasa, pleasant feeling for. Mavipaga also pleasant feeling for. And then Magiriya also pleasant feeling for consciousness. So altogether 12 from the Kamavajara Sobhana Jeta. Altogether you can count how many. Altogether 18. So these 18 are called Kama Somanasa 18. Okay. These 18 not blessed. Okay. These 18 are called Kama Somanasa 18. Okay. 18 Chitta 18 Somanasa Chitta that belong to Kama Vajara sensual sphere. And then you can continue to say what 11, yeah, first jhana 11. Okay, first jhana 11 it is associated with the Somanasa, Vidaka, Vijara, Bidi, Sukha, Ekagata. Sukha is there. That Sukha refer to the Somanasa. Okay. Somanasa Vedana. So also second jhana 11 that stay associated with the Vidi Sukha Somanasa Vedana. Okay. And also Tajana 11. Okay. So altogether we get how many? So 18. Okay. 18, 13. How many? 51. Okay. So altogether 51. So we can remove that one. That is just to make you understand, make you remember. 18 Kama Somanasa is 4 from Loba Mula, 2 from Ayituka, and also 12 from Kama Ujjara Sobhana. All of them belong to Kama Ujjara sensual sphere. That's why we can simply say 18 Kama Somanasa, and also first jhana Somanasa 11, second jhana Somanasa 11, and also third jhana Somanasa 11. Altogether we get it. How many? 51 consciousness. So these 51, in these 51 consciousness, PD Cetasika associate. Okay. PD Cetasika does not associate with the 70 consciousness. So in this way, so there we can have a Cheda that associate with the BD, Cheda that do not associate with the BD. So in this way, we can get a Sampayoga, one Sampayoga method. Okay. So there, now we come to understand with this study, BD associate only with the mental pleasant feeling, not the physical pleasant feeling. Okay. And also, sometimes among the jhanic factors, Vidaka, Vijara, Biti, Sukha, Ekagata, like that. Sukha is mentioned over there, but that Sukha refer to the not the physical pleasant feeling, but it is a mental pleasant feeling, Somanasa Vedana. So that one also we can understand. So that is one method, one Sampayoga method in the BD Cetasika. The last one is the Chando. Chanda is a desire to do, desire to go. Okay, that is Chanda Cetasika. So Chanda Cetasika associate, dissociate. Dissociate, firstly, you can understand easily. Dissociate is a Chanda is a desire. That's why. So 18 Ayaduka, 2 Moha Mula Jeta, do not associate with the Chanda. And also 18 Ayaduka Jeta, do not associate with the Chanda. Okay, Chanda or Ayaduka, Momuha, Wajita Jetesu, Chanda do not associate with these Jeta. Okay, altogether 20. So, rootless consciousness. Okay, in the rootless consciousness, there is no desire, no chanda. And also, 2 more mula jeta, they are so deluded, vijikaja and odaja. If there is our mind is deluded, so how can there be desire? We cannot decide whether it is a good or bad or right or wrong, okay, beautiful or ugly, and so on. So also our mind is restless. Then with the restless mind, we cannot have any desire. So that's why these 820 Cetas naturally do not associate with the Chanda Cetasika. So remaining is 69. So remaining 69 Ceta. So 69, what are they? You can easily know. 10 Akusalasobhanacetasikasampayoganaya. Okay, from the Akusalasobhanacetasikasampayoganaya, 8 Loba Mula, 2 Dosa Mula you can get. And then 24 Kama Ujjara Sobhana, okay, 18 Ayatuka you cannot associate. So also 27 Magata Jeta and the 8 Lokottara Jeta altogether. So 69. Okay, these 69, in these 69 consciousness, chanda, desire is there. Okay, so when you, one thing we can learn from here is do mohamula jeta. When our mind, when we are doubtful, then we are sure we cannot have any desire. So also when our mind is restless, okay, wavering, restless, so then there is no desire, no chanda. Then in other cases, then chanda associate with the lobha. If we are greedy, there is a chanda. And also if we are angry, also there is a chanda. Desire to kill, desire to hit, desire to beat other people. And also desire to offer, desire to observe precepts. Okay, desire to practice a meditation, desire to provide a service to the mankind, to the community, and so on. So at that time, so chanda is available in our mental process. Okay, so altogether, these are 13 Anyasamana Jitasika. For the 13 Anyasamana Jitasika, we have only how many? The one, okay, I will add one more. Okay, one more column for this. Sorry. One more column. One more column to name. Okay. To give a name. Let. Okay. So there you can give a name. Number one method, one Sambayoganaya, two Sambayoganaya, like that. And also 4, 5, and then 6, 7. So in the Anyasamana Cetasika, even though number is 13, but Sambayoganaya, we get only 7 Sambayoganaya. That's why here mentioned. So and for the 13 Anyasamana Cetasika, we have 7 Sambayoganaya. Okay, with this we can understand. So Sambayoga method. So this chapter will be helpful for you. And also over there, paragraph number 12, 13 to 18 will be very helpful for you to recognize how many this Cetasika associated with how many Ceta and so on. So here, okay, up to the 18. So please remember, if you don't remember that one, please remember the chart. So here, in brief, the summary is a Debana Jitubada Yetagama. Jitubada means arising of the consciousness. Okay. Our consciousness does not arise alone. It arises together with the Majitasika. Yetagama, according in the serial order. The serial order, we have to order. First one is the 7 Sabajita Sadharana. Second one is the Vidyaga, third one Vijara, and so on. We try to put in the serial order, according to the serial order. Then try to join Chasati Banja Banyasa, Egadasa Solasa, Satati with Tijewa, Bagainaga, Vivajita. Vivajita means excluded, okay, removed. Pagainaga Vivajita. These are jitas, the number of jita removed by the Pagainaga Cetasika. Pagainaga Cetasika is Vidaka, start from Vidaka to Chanda. So in the CDA order, you see, Chasati 66, Vidaka do not associate with the 66. Panja Banyasa, Vidaka, Vijara do not associate with the 55. And also Adhimokha do not associate with the Ega Dasa 11. Okay, Viriya do not associate with the Solasa 16. And also PD do not associate with the 70, Sattati. And then Chanda, do not associate with the Visati 20. Okay. So that is Bhagainaga Vivajita excluded by the Bhagainaga Cetasika. The first one is it's dissociation. And also second one, this verse. Second part of the verse is that association. Panja Banyasa, Vidaka associated with the 55, Vijara associated with the Chasati 66, and also Chasati, and also Atasatati. Atasatati is 78, Adhimauka associated with the 78, and also T Satati 73, Viriya. Viriya associated with the 73. And also PD associated with the Eka Banyasa 51. And also Ekuna Sadati 69. Okay, Cha is it also. Ekuna Sadati 69. 69 Jeta associated with the Chanda. Okay. Sa Bhagainaga. Bhagainaga Cetasika. These are Cetasic Chetas that arise together with the Bhagainaga Cetasika. That's why it is called Sa Bhagainaga. Okay. So altogether we get it. 7 Sampayoganaya in the Tati Anyasamana Cetasika. So let's go to the 14 Akusala Cetasika. Akusala Cetasika 14. There you can remember Akusala Citta, Akusala Cetasika. Akusala is unwholesome. If we simply say unwholesome, then it is a combination. It may refer to the unwholesome action, unwholesome mind. Okay, Akusala. Then, if we specifically say Akusala Citta, that is.
I'm sorry, Sayadaw. Could you please repeat the Akusala part?
Okay,
If we
Akusala.
simply say something.
Yeah. There you can, with the word Akusala, you can understand in different ways. When you hear Akusala alone, it may refer to the unwholesome action as well as unwholesome mind. Akusala alone. Okay. Sometimes we may say Akusala Gamma, Akusala action, unwholesome action. Then the very clear that the word refer to the action. Sometimes we may see Akusala Citta, unwholesome consciousness only. Then here is Akusala Cetasika, unwholesome mental concomitant. Okay. Yeah. Unwholesome mental concomitant, you already know, 14. Okay, 14 unwholesome mental concomitants. Akusala Citta is only 12. Okay, Akusala Citta only 12. A Loba Mula, 2 Dosa Mula, 2 Moha Mula, very simple. 12 Akusala Citta. So Sampayoga is association. So association, Akusala. So they can be friends only in their only when they share the same nature. Okay. It means Akusala unwholesome citta associated with the unwholesome Cetasika. Okay, but do the very specific counterpart. It associates. So here, Akusala citta, you know, 12. So in these 12 Akusala citta, these Akusala Cetasika 14 can associate. So the way how associate is different. If they can associate all of them, so we can include under one name, one method only. But the way they differentiate is different from the way they associate is different from one another. That's why in the Sampayoganaya. So there are 21, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, and also 24, 25, 26, up to that. Okay, there are Sampayoga methods. So if we say collectively, so we can simply say that is for the number 20, paragraph number 20 is a one method. Okay, because these Cetasika, Moha, Ahirika, Anuttapa, Udaja, okay, these four Cetasika, Moha, ignorance, Ahirika, moral shamelessness, Anuttapa, moral dreadlessness, and also Udaja, restlessness of the mind. So these Cetasika, they are unwholesome Cetasika. So these unwholesome Cetasikas are associated with all types of Akusala. Image, Chadaro, me Cetasika, these four Cetasikas. Sabha Kusala Sadharana Nama, Sadharana, common. Okay, common to Sabha Akusala, all Akusala. Okay, these four unwholesome mental concomitants are common to all types of Akusala Chitta. It means Sabe Supi, Dwadasa, Kusalesu, Lavandi. These four are available in all 12 Akusala Chitta. Okay, this is Moha, Loba. By the time Loba arises, also Moha is available. Ahirika available, Anuttapa available, Udaja available. So by the time dosa arises also, these four are available. That's why they are like a sword. Okay. I don't know in your country. In Myanmar, we cannot make a curry without a sword. So every curry there is a sword. So also here, in the Akusala, whenever Akusala Jeta arises, then Moha Airika Anuttapa Udajas, okay, delusion, and also shamelessness, dreadlessness, morally fearlessness, okay, they are there. Okay. Udaja, restlessness of the mind, also there. They are like a sword. Without them, there is no Akusala. Okay. So that's why that there is a one method. In four Cetasika led by the Moha. That's why in Bali, in Myanmar, we make a note, Moha Cetuka. Moha Cetuka. Cetuka means something which has a fault, which has a fault. So, and also here, Moha Cetuka. So Moha, so there is Moha four. We can simply say Moha four. Group of the Moha. A group of the four Cetasika led by the Moha. Okay, that is Moha Cetuka. So Moha Cetuka Cetasika associated with the 12 types, 12 Akusala Citta. That's why there is a one Sampayoga method. We can simply say, okay, here we can denote one Sampayoga method. And then another group is a Loba group. After talking about the Moha group, there is a Loba group. Lobo, greed, attachment, and also deity, wrong view, and also mana, conceit. Loba, deity, mana, they belong to Loba group. Okay. For example, Loba is a very easy, greed or attachment. So that Loba Cetasika associated with the 8 Loba Mula Citta, 8 Loba Sakata Citta, Atasu Loba Sakata Citta Swewa Lavati. Loba available only in the 8 Loba Mula Citta, 8 Loba Sakata Citta. So either they are Somnasa or Ubekha, Sambiyok, Dedicata Sambiyoda or Vipiyoda or Asankarika or Sasankarika. Loba is there always. Okay. So that's why this Loba Cetasika, this Loba Cetasika available only in the 8 Loba Mula Ceta. Though not many Loba Mula Ceta, only 8. Okay. So, and then the Deity Cetasika. So Deity is a part of the, or maybe left hand disciple of the Loba. Mana is a right hand disciple of the Loba. Like that we can say. Like a human being, we have a two hand. So also Loba, it has a two hand. Like a deity in Mana, wrong view and conceit. So they are also, they remain in a different location. And also they have a different different association. When deity arises, there is a no mana. When the mana arises, there is a no deity. So it is explained like a what? Like a two lion cannot stay in a cave. So also deity and mana do not associate together. When deity is there, mana does not arise. When mana is there, deity does not arise. So in the five aggregate, suppose deity, when we have an attachment on the five aggregate with the wrong view, then we regard the five aggregate as atta, self, or soul. Okay. Then when we take five aggregate with the mana, at that time we think we consider five aggregate as I, okay, mind, body, and so on. So that in this way, deity and mana arise in a different way. So that's why deity associate only with the Chetu su deity gata sampayuta chetesu among the 8 lava mula cheta, deity gata sampayuta associate with the round view is only 4. Deity gata vipayuta dissociate from the round view is 4. So deity cetasika associate only with the 4 cheta that associate with the round view. Okay. So mana cetasika conceit associate only with the 4 dedicata vipayota cheta 4 cheta that do not associate with the wrong view. So in this cheta, mana arise together. Mana arise. So that's why. So we can put these 3 together, 21, 23, 21, 22, 23 together as a lottery, lottery. 3 mental concomitants led by the Loba, okay, Loba group. Okay. Moha group associated with the 4 or 12 Akusalasobhanacetasika 1 Sampayoga method. Loba group associated with the 8 Loba Mulaceta, okay, respectively. That is a 1 Sampayoga method. You can say here 2, number 2. Loba Deity Mana. Collectively, we can take a 1 Sampayoga method. And then Dosa Esa Machariya Gokochan, Dosa Esa Machariya Gokocha, Dosa Anga, Ewa, Esa Envy, Machariya Jealousy, Gokocha Remorse. So these 4 Cetasika belong to Dosa group. Dosa Jatoka, Dosa group also we can say. These Cetasika associated with the Dvisu Patika Sampayuta Cetesu, 2 Dosa Mula Ceta. So 2 Dosa Mula Ceta, that is very easy. So over there, in the Dosa group, we have a 1 Sampayoga method. They associate only with the 2 Dosa Mula Ceta. Dosa is a Machariya Kokocha. So here, some people they say, okay, for the dosa anga is very easy to understand. Asa also, we feel uncomfortable or envious when other people are enjoying. So that is okay. Asa is a dosa group, reasonable. What about the machariya? Machariya is a stinginess. We don't want to share what we have with the other people. That is Machariya. Then its a nature is more likely to be lower. Why it is included under the dosa, anger? Okay. Some people they say like that. So I don't want to give something I have with to you. That is a more lower, no dosa, not much dosa, but the lower nature is there. Why do we include Machariya under the category of the dosa group? They say like that. So one then explanation is given over there in the Abhidhamma text is that Machariya is not just a simple stinginess, but cannot bear. Okay, you can bear to share your properties with the others. Your things, the thing you regard as your own, then you can share. So that is that kind of thing is another lover, but the unbearing, unbearable, you cannot bear. Okay, to share your the things you regard as your own with the other people. So that's why it is included under the dosa nature, not lover nature, not because of the attachment to the your property, but because of the uh, uh, the being inconvenient to share with the other people. Okay, that meant the attitude. So that's why Machariya belong to the dosa group. Negogoja is a remorse. That is very easy to understand. Remorse for what we have done something wrong. So also remorse for what we failed to do something good. So that is a gogoja. So this dosa is a Machariya gogoja. They make a one group. Okay, in that group, Cetasika, they associate only with the two dosa mula cetas. Okay, but they may not associate all the time. When dosa arises, may not be Asa and Machariya Gogoja may not be there. Okay, so when the Asa arises, suppose Asa is the other's property. Asa take others' property, others' possession as an object. Other than Asa arise, dosa may not arise. Machariya may not arise. Gogoja may not arise. Okay. Dosa, Asa, Machariya, Gogoja, they arise separately. They arise together with the two dosa mula jeta occasionally from time to time, according to their attention. So that's why that is one Sampayoganaya in the dosa group. Okay, in the Moha group, one Sampayoganaya. Loba group, one Sampayoganaya. And also dosa group in the one Sampayoganaya. And then another group is the Tina and Maida. Sloth and Dopa. Okay, sloth and Dopa. Mental, okay, my mental instability. Okay, Tina Maida, drowsiness, feeling sleepiness. Okay. So these Tina and Maida, this pair of Cetasika, associated with the Panchasu, Sasankarika, Cetesu. So in the 12 Akusala Ceta, among the 12 Akusala Ceta, if we classify Asankarika, Sasankarika, then there you can see Asankarika 5, Sasankarika 5. Okay. In the Loba Mula Jeta, there are Asankarika 4. In the Dosa Mula Jeta, Asankarika 1. Altogether, we have a 5 Asankarika Jeta in the Akusala Jeta, among the Akusala. So also 5 Sasankarika Jeta prompted. Okay, Sasankarika need to be encouraged. Okay, because they are very reluctant, so mentally not stable. Okay, that's why they need to be encouraged or they need to be pushed. So that is prompted. So in these 5 sasankarika Chetas, these Tina and Meda arise. They associate. That's why in the Tina Meda there is a one Sambayoga method. Okay. So also Vichikecha, stand alone. Vichikecha is a skeptical doubt. It associates with its own specific consciousness. Only in the Vichikecha Sagata Jeta it arises. It associate. So that is a one Sambayoga method. So altogether, in the Akusala Amandi 14 Akusala Cetasika, we get a 5 Sambayoga method. Okay. So that one we already see in the chart. Let's go to the chart. So here, Akusala Cetasika Sampayoganaya, there are five methods. Number 1, here, Moha Jatoka, Moha group. It associates with the Dwe Akusala Ceta. It do not associate with the other Cetas. 18 Ayaduka Ceta do not associate. Okay. And also 24 Candamukha do not associate. 27 Megata Ceta. Moha group do not associate. And also 8 Lokottara Ceta. So their Moha group does not associate with these Ceta. Okay. So for the Lobha group, there are 3 mental concomitant Lobha, Deity, Mana. Okay. And collectively we call Lobha group. So this Lobha group respectively associate with the 8 Lobha Mula Ceta. There also you can understand Lobha associate with 8 Lobha Mula Ceta. But the deity associate only with the 4 Dedikata Sampayutta Ceta. So Mana associate only with the 4 Dedikata Vipayutta Ceta. So collectively, there is one Sampayoga method in the Lobha group. So there, so 2 Dosa Mula Ceta do not associate with the Lobha group. 2 more Mula Ceta do not associate with the Lobha group. So also you can say 18 Ayaduka Ceta, 24 Candamukha 27 Mayagata Ceta. Okay. And also 8 Lokottara Ceta, they do not associate with him. So that one we can simply say dissociate. Dissociate from. Okay. So also do Dosa Mula, Dosa Jatoka, Dosa group. Dosa is a Majriya Gogoja. They form a one group. Okay. So these 4 Dosa group. Cetasika that belong to the Dosa group. Associate only with the 2 Dosa Mula Ceta. So remaining 8 Lobha Mula Ceta do not associate. 2 more Mula Ceta do not associate. So also we can say what? 18 Ayaduka Ceta, 24 Candamukha Sobhana, 27 Megata, 8 Lokottara do not associate. Okay. So Tina Meda associate only with the 5 Sasankarika Ceta. 4 from the Lobha Mula, 1 from the Dosa Mula, the prompted consciousness. So only in these consciousness, Tina and Meda are available. So other maybe 5 asankarika consciousness, okay, and also do Moha Mula Ceta, do not associate. So also 18, 24, 27, okay, 8 Lokottara Ceta. So then remain in the remaining Ceta, Tina Meda do not associate. Okay. So also Vichikecha associate only with the one Vichikecha Sagata Ceta. Okay. So remaining is 88. Yeah, thank you. Vichikecha Sagata Ceta. Vichikecha Cetasika is a doubt, skeptical doubt. Doubt about the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, doubt about the karma is a result. Okay. So this is Cetasika. associate only with the one Vichikicca Sagata Citta. It do not associate with the other 88 Cittas. So that is also one Sampayoganaya. So altogether in the 14 Akusala, among the 14 Akusala Cetasika, we can get the 5 Sampayoga method. Okay. So from the from the Anyasamana Cetasika, we have a 7. From the Akusala Cetasika, we have a 5 Sampayoga method. Okay. So also we can get 4 Sampayoga method from the Sobhana Cetasika, beautiful mental concomitant. We can get the 4 Sampayoga method. So I will say in brief. So among this one, Sobhana, beautiful consciousness, mental concomitant, we divide into 4 groups. Okay, here. Number 1 group is the 19 Sobhana Sadharana Cetasika, Sobhana Universal. Okay, these 90 Cetasika associated with all types of the Sobhana Citta, beautiful Citta. Start from the Kamajara Sobhana and the Mahagata, Rupa, Arupa, Logottara. Okay, all of them are collectively called Sobhana Citta, beautiful consciousness. Okay, in brief, it is a 59. In detail, it is a 91 Sobhana Cittas. So that is one Sampayoga method. Then 3 Virati Cetasika abstinence. So 3 abstinence. So refraining from the evil speech, evil action, evil livelihood. Then they associate with the 16. Okay, 16 Cittas out of 89. 16 here means 8 Logottara Citta, always associate. So whenever Logottara Citta arises, Samma Vaca, Samma Kammanta, Samma Ajiva are available. So always associate. But when this 3 Virati, when 8 Mahakusala Citta arises, they sometimes arise together with the 8 Mahakusala Citta. They sometimes associate, sometimes do not associate. Sometimes here means only when we refrain from the killing, stealing, okay, then at that time, Vidadi, one of the Vidadi associate with the 8 Mahakusala Citta. Otherwise, it may not associate. That's why collectively we can take note. 3 Vidadi Cetasika associate with the 16 Cittas. That is one Sampayoga method. And then 2 Abhamanya, Karuna and Mudita. Okay, compassion and appreciated joy. So these 2 Cetasika associate with the 28 Cittas. So 28 here means 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahakiriya, 12 Rupavajara Cittas, except the 5th jhana. So start from the 1st jhana to the 4th jhana. Okay, so okay, step from the 1st jhana 3, 2nd jhana 3, 3rd jhana 3, 4th jhana 3, like that. So only in that Citta, do Abhamanya Cetasika associate. In the other remaining Citta, Abhamanya, do Abhamanya Cetasika do not associate. That is one Sampayoga method. Then another, the last one is the Banya Cetasika, Banyendriya wisdom. Banyendriya associate with the 12 Maha Jnana Sampayutta Kamavajara Citta. So among the 24 Kamavajara Sobhana Citta, so 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahavipa, 8 Mahakiriya. There you can see Jnana Sampayutta only 4 in each one. So Kusala Jnana Sampayutta 4, Vipaka Jnana Sampayutta 4, Kiriya Jnana Sampayutta 4. Okay, altogether 12 Jnana Sampayutta Citta. Jnana Sampayutta here means Kamavajara Citta that associate with the wisdom. Okay, 12 Citta we get. So in this Citta, Panya Cetasika is available. So also 27 Mahakata Citta, 15 Rupavajara, 12 Arupavajara, altogether 27 Mahakata Citta. In this Citta also, Panyendriya, Panya Cetasika is available. And also the last one is 8 Lokotara Citta, 4 Mega, 4 Phala. So over there also, Mega wisdom, Panya is available. So altogether 47, okay, 47. Panyindriya or Panya Cetasika associated with the 47 Citta. So that is one Sambiyoga method. Okay. So Anyasamana 7 method, Akusala 5, and then Sobhana 4. Altogether 16 Sambayoga methods are available. Okay. There are 16 Sambayoga methods that you can remember. Okay. 16 Sambayoga method. Okay. Sambayoga method means Naya. Okay. 16 Sambayoga Nayas are available in the 52 Cetasika. So Sambayoga method is the method with which we can understand which Cetasika associate with how many Citta. Okay, so that method is a Sambayoga method. So today we roughly finish 16 Sambayoga method. So thank you so much for your listening. So Buddha Sasanam Jiran Daitadu, Buddha Sasanam Jiran Daitadu, Buddha Sasanam Jiran Daitadu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.